Hey guys, this is Libby from Digital Designs by Libby, and today we're going to be decorating and sublimating this adorable little wood heart stand. Stay tuned. Okay, for this project we're going to need some hearts. You could scale them up and down. This is a 3-inch heart from Walmart. It was $1.67 for a pack of 6. Not a bad thing. We're going to need one of these little blocks from the Dollar Tree. They're called tumbling tower blocks. That's 24 to a pack. Actually 72 to a pack. We're going to need our design. This is available in my shop, and it's part of the tier tray collection. We're also going to need wood glue. And we're going to need some sort of white paint. I'm using Waverly white chalk paint, but you could use any other paint that you want. And some clips. The first thing I wanted to do, these are actually not bad width-wise, but I did want them to make them a little bit stronger. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by putting two together using some wood glue, because I want to make them thicker. Then we're just going to go ahead and clip them, take any excess glue off, like so. This is a snapshot of how you prep your blanks for sublimation. You start by painting your blanks. The next step is to take it over to your heat press, parchment paper, the laminate on top, butcher paper, and then on my press, I press for 385 for 50 seconds. The last step is to take and trim off the excess of your laminate, and easy peasy, you are done. Okay, now that our template has been prepped and laminated, the link is in the description. I am going to go ahead and let's take our design on. Next step. I don't know what happened to this video section, but the process is the same for all sublimation. Put your paper, your blank, your design, put your paper. In my case, I did 385 for 50 seconds. And these are the results. And now for the fun part, we're going to take our little heart and we're going to be using the tumbling tower block that we painted previously. And we're just going to add a bead of hot paint. Here I'm just putting it to position it in place. Sorry guys for being out of frame. I'm still learning how to do all this video taping stuff. So I'm going to put a bead of glue. I'm going to just adjust it in the back. Here's my big head in the way as well. And this is how it comes out. Now I have this ribbon that I did in a previous project. The link for that project is in the description. It's how you could sublimate your own ribbons to match whatever decor or design you're working with. And I just decided to make a simple little bow and attach it to the top right hand corner. Now this is optional. I just think the little bow gives it a little something something. Little bead of glue. And we're done. And this is what our little heart looks, all standing up, decorated with its little bow. Think about it. For just a couple of dollars, you have an adorable little stand that's ready for any tier tray. Here's what it looks like on the tier tray. I absolutely love the colors on this design. The other two items are also part of the bundle, and we have videos on how to do these as well. If you like this video, please like, and better yet, please subscribe to our channel to see upcoming designs and a new product line. Enjoy and happy crafting from Digital Designs by Libby.